Hi, teachers and schools. My name's David. I'm the teacher founder of ELT Buzz Teaching Resources, and today I'd like to show you around our first version of the Go Digital annotation feature. Assign files for your students to complete right online. It's very easy. So let's visit the library first. This is where you find all your files, and let's just choose one that you want to use. You'll have to have access to that. Some are premium, some are for registered members, some are just completely open. So you can see the file here and read about it, and all you have to do is click the Go Digital button to assign it to your students. Once you click that, it'll be added to your list of assignments. So here we have it. Today was special because you can filter these lists as you wish and search in this list. And then after that, all you have to do is click the Assign button, copy the link, and provide this to students. And the students will go there and do their assignment. You can also assign it directly on your classroom. So for example, I'm going to assign this here, and then give it a title, etc., and your students will get notified and click the link on Google Classroom. Now let's see what a student would see there. So you've sent a link to the student. Let's put it in a new browser. And the student sees our set of annotation tools. What's really important is the student enter their name, the student can do text boxes. In this case, they're just checking boxes, so they would just use the pen. We'll be adding additional annotation features in the future, but for right now we just have some simple ones. You can draw lines, etc. Once the students finish the assignment, just click Save after entering the name. Save successfully, and the student will have a new link. The student should copy the link. We'll be allowing them to email the link to themselves also in the near future. So student copies the link, and that is done. You will get the assignment. So let's go back here, refresh the page. Today was special because view. When you view it, you'll see David submitted it, and you can go ahead and mark this assignment. Marking just has some simple features for you to comment and discuss things with students. So here you see it's David, and you might say, great work, really liked this. You might do some check boxes, etc. Oh, sorry, I should be using the pen. And then you would save this. It's saved. And let's go back to see what the student sees here on their page. This is the student's URL. And the student sees your comments, etc. You can also go and talk to the student here. So this is just unique and a private chat for each assignment. And you can add more information and discuss their work with the student. There we go. It's completely anonymous. You don't have to register or sign up, and teachers and students can talk there. So that's a first look at our assignment feature. I hope you enjoy using this, and we'll keep you updated as we push out new features and releases for teachers and students to use. This has been David, over and out.